Hello guys, welcome back to FLUX.1 2025. Let's be honest, hand coloring manga is a marathon. Between flatting, shading and lighting, a single page can take hours. But what if you could take a raw sketch and turn it into a high-end masterpiece in seconds, without losing a single line of your original art? Today we're diving into the absolute cutting edge of AI generation. We're using FLUX.1 Kontext. I've developed a workflow that allows you to color manga with surgical precision. If you missed my previous guide on how to edit images with FLUX.1 Kontext, the link to that video is in the description. Let's get started.
First things first, we need the files. All direct links are in the description below. Pay attention to the folder paths. Model 1, the core brain. We are using the highly compressed FP8 version of the FLUX.1 Kontext dev model. We use FP8 because this is a 12 billion parameter model, and this quantization helps maximize our VRAM and improve generation time. Download it and save it right here. ComfyUI/models/diffusion models. Model 2, the dual clip text encoders. Flux secret sauce is using two language models for unmatched context. You need the standard clip L.SAF tensor and the massive T5 encoder, T5XXL FP8 E4M3 FN scale.SAF tensors. Drop both of these into ComfyUI/models/text encoders. Model 3, the translator, or VAE. This converts the compressed data into your final image. Download the E.SAF tensors and save it to ComfyUI/models/VAE.
Got those three, perfect. Now let's load the workflow. You can find the link in the video description. Once loaded, go to the setup section and select your Flux model, the dual clip encoders and the VAE we just downloaded. Now all you need to do is point the load image from path node to your manga folder. Hit Q prompt and watch the magic happen. The workflow automatically analyzes the Lineart and breathes life into it. Check out these results. What makes FLUX.1 Kontext special is how well it follows instructions. You can actually dictate the color palette in the prompt. For example, I'll ask for the man in a pink outfit, the woman in red, and a soft blue background. As you can see, the result is almost perfect. However, look at the top left panel. The AI gave the man a red shirt instead of pink. Don't worry, we don't need to re-roll the whole thing. We can repair this mistake easily. By using this result as our source for an image edit, I can refine the prompt specifically to change the man's red clothes to pink. This iterative process gives you total creative control. You can even swap entire elements, like changing this character's outfit into a sailor uniform while keeping the face exactly the same. Here is something really cool. This workflow is incredibly sensitive to paper quality. If you use a low quality or old scan of a physical manga, Flux recognizes that texture and adapts the coloring to feel vintage and analog. It's not just a flat digital fill, it respects the soul of the original medium. Here are a bunch of examples. After experimenting with SD 1.5 and the standard Flux models, I can confidently say that FLUX.1 Kontext is the king of manga coloring. It's faster, it handles text and dialogue bubbles much more clearly, and the ability to make surgical adjustments is a game changer for artists. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. If this workflow helps your creative process, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Please subscribe to FLUX.1 2025 for more efficient ComfyUI workflows. See you in the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.